So here we have one linked list with 3 nodes and the last node is pointing to null. So let's now see how we can delete the first node of the singly linked list. So let's just see how we can delete this node from this linked list. So first of all, we have to check if the head is null or not. In a case where the head is null, that means the linked list is already empty, so we don't have to perform any kind of deletion. So once we're done for the checking and sure that there is at least one node in the linked list, so after that, to perform the delete, all you have to do is we have to move our head pointer from the first node and we're gonna shift to the second node. So to do that, we can simply move the head pointer. So head equal head arrow link. So this simple line of code will shift the head to the next node in the linked list. And also to remove the memory allocated by the first node, we can use one temporary pointer which will point to the first node, and then once we shift our head to the next node, then we can just free this temporary or the first node. And after this operation, the first node of the linked list will be removed and the allocated memory by the node will also be freed up. So here we have the linked list with 3 nodes, 100, 200 and 300. So let's now remove the first node with the value 100. So here we're going to create the function delete first node. So the function will return struct node type pointer. So let's just call the function delete first node. Now it will take the head, so struct node type pointer head as a parameter. So here first of all, we're gonna check if the head pointer is null. That means the list is already empty. So in that case, we're gonna print linked list is empty. So if the list is empty, then we're just gonna simply return null. We don't have to perform any deletion. So now if the list is not empty, now here let's just perform the deletion. So first of all, we're gonna use the struct node pointer temp. So the temporary pointer will be initially pointing to head, so that we can later use this temporary pointer to remove the memory allocated by the first node. So let's now move the head pointer to the next node. So head equal head arrow link. This will move the head to the next node. And now we have to free the memory, so free temp. So here we're just freeing memory allocated by the first node. So once we are done with that, we can just simply return the new head where the first node is removed. So first of all, let's just print our linked list before performing any kind of deletion. So you can see the linked list has 3 nodes. So let's now delete the first node. So we're gonna use the function delete first node and we're gonna pass the head pointer. Now after the deletion, it will return the new head pointer. So let's now print the linked list again. So you can see after the deletion of the first node, you can see we are left with only 2 nodes. Node with the value 100 is removed from the linked list. So this is the way we can remove the first node from the linked list. All you have to do is you have to move the head pointer to the next node. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.